Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capterra for buyer intent strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.capterra.com and hit enter. Wait for the Capterra homepage to load completely. Once the page has loaded, locate the login option in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your email address and password. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After filling in your email and password, double-check for any typing errors. Once confirmed, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Capterra account. Explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To implement your buyer intent strategy, navigate to the relevant sections from the main menu. Begin utilizing the tools available to enhance your strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.